Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 26, 2025. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. This is Ethereum quoted to USDC on Zondacrypto daily time frame chart. What is going on here? It's quite interesting. The first thing I would like to point out is that candle. This is a pin bar candle which is called Doji. As you can see, it has a long upper shadow going up towards the level of 4,930, and this is a kind of a candlestick pattern that warns about the trend termination. What is the trend? The trend is up. So we got the daily time frame chart candlestick pattern showing us possible trend termination. Then we have a down day red candle, which is a confirmation of this candlestick pattern, and now we wait for the extension. So if on the third day we got still lower low, or ideally a red candle down, in our situation this is a confirmation of a possible trend reversal. Obviously we don't know whether this trend is only, if this termination of the trend is the short-term trend, mid-term trend, or long-term trend. We don't know it yet, but we got some information from the market that there is a possible trend termination on the Ethereum. Now the other thing I would like to point out is the volume. We don't speak about the volume quite often. Nevertheless, it's worth to notice that this big candle up has been made on an extreme volume, and we have extreme spread candle, which means that the last volume that was very similar to the recent one was volume on that candle here, right? And this candle has a long down shadow, or a lower wick, as they say. And since then we got a test, and Ethereum going almost to the new high, almost hitting $5,000. So look at this. This is where the bulls come in, buying the dip, pushing the price down, up, sorry, obviously. And this is where the bulls are out. Possibly on this up candle, bulls are exiting the long positions, and the bears are obviously here trying to push the price lower, which is why we got only a spike to the upside, and then next day we got the movement to the downside. So it looks like most of the traders who bought on the dip exit the market on this very big candle to the upside, right? That's only theory, but it looks pretty much quite logical, doesn't it? This is the technical support, roughly around 2000, and this is the technical resistance, roughly around 4930. So this is over 100% easily 100, even more. I think it's a 150% from the lows to the top. I think something like this. 146, there you go, 146% profit. Not too bad for me whatsoever. So we got this range has been established, possibly this range has been played out, and it looks like now it's the time to move lower. So where is the next target for the bears? The next target for the bears is located here. So we've been here before. We've been here just like a few last week, basically 4040. This is the technical support, and there is one more technical support which is quite important. Quite often we've been talking about it, 3923. This one is below 4000 already. Now the other thing we would like to point out is that we got this ranges here, the range of the correction. So we got this correction here, minus 22%. We got this correction here from that top to that low, and this is minus 14. And we got this correction here, which is again minus 14. Yes, so any correction bigger than 15% might be somewhat threatening to the bulls, right? So this one is already almost 12%. So if today is the down day, if today candle, daily candle, is the red candle, we might see 14 or 15% correction, which is quite typical. But anything bigger than 15% might be another brick in the wall, saying that look at this candle, possible termination of the uptrend is coming, possible correction or a pullback is coming as well. So please pay attention, stay focused, stay vigilant. Something is cooking, something is going on here. Let's not lose what is important on the chart. Let's stay focused for the next few days. Remember, this week is the end of the month of August. All right, so we then have the only last month in the third quarter, and then fourth quarter starts. Usually statistically this fourth quarter was quite bullish, so possibly after this correction is done, the Ethereum will resume this upside movement. But we will see. The market will show us what will happen in the within the next few days or few weeks on the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.